Hey friends, want to avoid that harmful market mayonnaise? Then must try this recipe. This is healthy homemade mayonnaise with zero oil usage, just made from cashews, curd, milk and dairy products only. Add some cashews, soaked cashews and add garlic in it, then hung curd, some paneer cubes along with the salt as per taste, pinch of black pepper and some sugar in it. I have added a spoon of fresh cream in it. You can add fresh malai also. Then have added chili flakes and oregano to give it an additional taste. Now it's ready to grind and mix. So here comes our homemade healthy mayonnaise. You can apply it on any of the bread or any of the cheeseburger pizzas and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me. Press the bell notification icon and stay connected for more such videos. See you soon with the next recipe in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.